So yeah, I think I would like to read a story. Let's see. Yeah, this one's called Ginsu Knife, which has absolutely nothing to do with the content. It is subtitled Nudity for Adults Only. So, the Ginsu knife cuts ever so deep, deeper than it ever has before. This time I know it's for real. I was mowing my lawn one fine Saturday morning when I noticed this tall, slender, sexy woman wearing next to nothing walking right toward me. I tried to ignore her as she swished by, but it was all in vain. My eyes followed her with every bounce of her seductive walk. She nearly knocked me off of my feet when I noticed she had caught on to my little game. She yelled at me in some unrecognizable foreign language, flapping her arms above her head like a spoiled little child. I couldn't help but to burst into laughter. I mean, the whole situation seemed really crazy. I was minding my own business, mowing my own lawn. I was mowing my own lawn when, bam, she just happened to walk by. Jesus, what a fucked reality I live in. Where men have to wear suits just to get jobs. Everyone has to dress like the ones they saw in the photographs. But the odd thing is the very essence of everybody is in those photographs. Namely, cold and clean. Anyway, the woman kicked me in my jaw for lack of paying attention to her, I assumed. I mean, I couldn't understand a damn thing she was saying anyway. I kept laughing.